Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'Skitchenette. To all my dear viewers and subscribers for my cooking channel, thank you so much for always there to support and watch my premiere every day. So today's vlog, my recipe is soap. This is a vegetable soap. This is a lentil soap. Lentils, okay? So these lentils, first I wash it and I soak into the water for about 1 hour, and then I boiled it into the casserole with water until the lentils is already fully soft. Then I set aside, I soak the garlic, onions, and I added the lentils into the mixture of the sauteed garlic and onions with cooking oil. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil is enough. Then I added the carrots. I added the sliced sausages or hot dog and season it with black pepper, garlic powder, paprika powder, and chicken bouillon. Okay. Then I added some water and bring in to boil until all the vegetables is fully cooked. And I added these small types of noodles. You see these noodles? It's small types. Then I bring into boil until the noodles and the veges, the lentils and everything is fully cooked. And now I am going to add here with this UHT milk, this one, full milk. So I'm going to add in here, okay? So this is a lentil soup with veges and sausages, okay? So look at here, guys. So this is a very yummy, healthy lentil soup with milk, sausage, with carrots, with bell pepper, and with the small noodles. Okay, so this is a very healthy, yummy lentil noodle soup with sliced hot dog or sausages, with carrots, with bell pepper, and mix them all together and bring into boil, and this can be served in a small soup bowl. Okay guys, so this is it. This is a very express cooking. If you want to have a hot soup, so you can do it like this. This is a lentil soup with noodles, with carrots, and with sausages. This is ideal for the cold season, especially during the winter or during spring season, that you want to eat with hot noodle soup with lentils and with veges and sausages. So thank you for watching, guys. This is a lentil soup with noodles and with sausages. You can use any kinds of noodles. You can use the pasta, macaroni noodles, and whatever types of pasta that you have. So if you don't want to add noodles, it's okay. It just simply a simple lentil soup with some carrots or potatoes and add some portion of meat like this. This is a sliced sausages. And you can add your desired seasonings. So hanggang dito na lang. Till here. Terima kasih. Paresto puli. Buhat Kuya. Dankisyon. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Buen gracias. Daghan salamat. Maraming salamat for watching my recipe. This recipe is a very healthy, yummy lentil soup with noodles, with milk, and with sausages. Bye for now, and see you in my next premiere. Bon appetit! Ciao, ciao! Look at here, it's boiling, guys. So when you add the milk, just let it boil, and then you can serve it. So guys, sana may natutunan kayo dito sa aking simpleng lentil soup with noodles and with sausages. This is a very simple menu. Lentil soup with noodles, with sausage and veges. Thank you for watching, and sayonara. Bye-bye. Ciao. Auf Wiedersehen.